Heavy rain and thunderstorms lashed across various parts of Italy today, causing widespread flooding and disruptions in several cities. The Italian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert warning for the regions of Tuscany, Umbria, and Lazio, as the storm is expected to continue through the night. The downpour has caused numerous roads and bridges to be closed due to the flooding, and several train services have also been suspended, causing travel chaos for commuters. Emergency services have been working tirelessly to clear the waterlogged streets and rescue stranded citizens. In the town of Arezzo in Tuscany, the river Arno has overflowed its banks, flooding several residential areas and forcing the evacuation of dozens of residents. Local authorities have set up temporary shelters to accommodate those affected by the deluge. The storm has also caused significant damage to several historic buildings and monuments.